It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
We always brag about San Diego's weather, but the truth is it actually does get cold here in San Diego homes. So today, Sarah and John from Allegiance Heating and Air are here with tips to be comfortable all year long. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having us here.
Having us.
So John, let me start with you. Is there a optimal temperature that we should set our thermostats to in the wintertime?
The optimal temperature really depends on the person. So for one person to another, it differs. So
Personal comfort. I love having
Exactly.
flexibility and choices like that.
Absolutely. Also remember that in Southern California here, gas furnaces are the primary source, and we do not recommend leaving those on all day.
No.
Okay, so in winter,
However,
shut it off.
In the winter, shut it off. However, in the summer, if you are comfortable at 75 and you're leaving your home, we do recommend that you set it for 80 degrees. So when you come home and set it back down to 75, it's not working as hard. Saving, and it's more, it's not, the system isn't overworking itself, so it's more energy efficient.
So we've got energy efficiency for the summer, but in winter, you really just only need to turn it on when you're ready to use it.
Right, because
Correct.
it's gas versus electrical.
Great tip. So what about hot and cold spots in the home? I know a lot of San Diego homes don't have insulation, and one area gets really hot, one area gets really cold. What can we do about that?
The best thing to do is ensure proper ventilation in your home. Make sure you don't have doors closed in certain rooms. Also make sure that your vents are open so that you ensure the proper airflow through your home. Another consideration is to ensure that you have proper window coverings and that you have like double paned windows in your home.
So all of these things go into consideration for designing the right system, and of course, Allegiance can come out and help if the system, if there's a problem with the actual system that's causing a hot and cold spot, that can be
Right.
corrected as well, right, Sarah?
Absolutely.
Right, yeah, and you really want to get somebody out there to take a look at the ducts, because remember, 40% of your heat and cool loss is through your ducting system.
Which is huge.
Yeah, so we really want to
Absolutely.
make sure that we come out and seal it properly and make sure that it's functioning as it should.
So let's tell people how they can take advantage of that, because Allegiance has an incredible offer
Yeah.
related to ducting right now.
Yeah, right now we're offering a free furnace and duct inspection, and we'll come out and take $100 off the duct work if there's any repairs that needed.
Well,
at our
thank you
unit.
so much,
Yeah.
you guys. If you are ready to be comfortable all year long, do it with help from Allegiance Heating and Air. You can find them and other top pros quickly and easily right on ApprovedHomePros.com.